Hello, my friend. Welcome to 5-Star Meditation. It is a pleasure to accompany you on this journey in which I would like to help you be aware that you are an extraordinary person. All human beings have urges or do things impulsively that often make us feel bad about ourselves. Masturbation is one of those things. Therefore, I want to invite you to relax. I want you to know that you have come to the right place. You are not here by chance. You are here because you want to be free of those urges that make you unable to control the desires to masturbate and prevent you from using your free time more productively. The first thing to keep in mind is that you should not put yourself down. Even though you feel you have a problem or addiction, there is always a solution, and you will find in yourself the strength you need to overcome this situation. I will help you realize all the value in you, and you will know that whatever negative habit you may have can be substituted by a positive one. Meditation can be a good habit that will help you regain control of your urges and thoughts. I will guide you on a path of tranquility, where you will find the peace of mind you need. We will enter a land of relaxation in meadows of freedom, where your spirit will vibrate and connect with the sources of trust and security that the universe offers you. Please adopt a comfortable posture in which your muscles feel relaxed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Now, breathe out slowly and feel your shoulders begin to soften. Any tension in your body begins to dissipate through the power of your breath. As we breathe, we welcome life. At this moment, welcome the freedom that is in front of you. On many occasions, the impulsive need to masturbate may come from insecurities. Perhaps at some point, you have felt that you cannot be loved or that you do not love yourself. At this time, accept the love that life offers you. That love blossoms in you and makes you feel satisfied with yourself. Love drives away all fear and bad thoughts. Welcome love. Be filled with it. Love flows in you at this moment. You might often feel that the only moment in which you are happy is in the privacy of your room, alone with yourself, while you touch yourself. That moment generates a lot of adrenaline, and you enjoy it. But when it is over, you feel empty and alone. And that is when you ask yourself, why did I do it? Was it necessary? That is when the feelings of guilt begin to arise, pushing away the happiness that should reside in you. Your body weakens, your vigor leaves you, and you feel inadequate. What will I do with my life? You may ask yourself. Why do I masturbate? That is something only you know, so only you have the authority and power to decide to stop. As you are used to doing it, it will be difficult, but not impossible. All the strength you need is in you, my friend. You can break with the habit by starting the healthy habit of introspection and self-control. At this moment, I invite you to enter the meadow of freedom. Feel how the fresh breeze clears the place. Every part of your body gets impregnated with this freshness. And freedom begins to flow within you. Feel the fresh earth on your feet. Every cell of your body becomes receptive. You walk a little, and you begin to observe the beautiful blue sky. And you feel the pleasure of being alive. Inside you, there is no more room for guilt. Fear, insecurity, and shame begin to go away at this moment. With each step you take, the weight of your shoulders begins to fall. Feel how you can control your urges. Loneliness is no longer part of you. In front of you, a cool stream appears, whose freshness you can enjoy. You kneel down and dip your hands. The purity of that water cleanses your hands of dirt, guilt, sadness, and depression. Your hands are a channel of blessing. Your hands were created to do beautiful things. Your hands are no longer stained. You are free. Standing up, you enjoy the freedom that this place offers you. You breathe in the fresh air and feel your lungs infuse with life. You open your arms and feel immense and tremendous. In this safe place, you have been able to let go of all your burdens. Feel how good it is to be free from a self-destructive habit. Repeat these words in your mind, believing with all your heart each one of them. I am no longer a slave to masturbation. My body is sacred. I love myself as I am. Guilt is no longer part of my life. Every day is a new opportunity to meet people and use my time productively. I am kind to myself. Fear no longer comes near me. I am strong enough to defeat any impulse. I don't need to masturbate to be happy. I find happiness in introspection and productive activities with those around me. I am an extraordinary person. My mind is free. longer a slave to my sexual impulses. I am a blessing to others. I am able to make better decisions. I am strong. I can get rid of unwanted thoughts. The source of happiness I need is in my heart, and with each beat, my soul is infused with vitality. Now, take a deep breath and feel how vitality is part of your being. Do not fear what will happen next. Trust your courage. This is a process in which you will get stronger little by little. Do not be discouraged if you fall again. Just remember that the important thing is to get up again. When you feel ready, open your eyes and smile. You are an extraordinary person. Don't forget that at any time. You are strong, and you have the ability to overcome any obstacle. You are no longer a slave to masturbation. You are free, dear friend. If you enjoyed this session or just willing to see more, like, share, and subscribe for more 5-star meditation. And turn on the notification bell to get notified when we post. Check us out on Twitter and Instagram. Description will be below. We offer 30-second stress relief meditation for you on the go. Thanks. See you next time.